Welcome to another video. Today we are going to start with volatility 100 index. As you guys can see on screen, number of trades will choose 10, 20, 50, 100. It's up to you. Today we are going to work with 10 trades. Broker API token you can check from your broker settings. Serial key we will provide you. Stake amount, what is the risk you gonna afford. So $5 we are going to start today. Okay, now let's click on start trading. Let's click on the start trading button and the bot will start working for us. Okay guys, so let's continue. Start trading button has been enabled, trading has been started. Now let's move on direct official website where the bot is working. Look here guys, starting with $5 today. The bot is started 9.77, making trades by his own decision. Okay guys, and step by step the bot will make awesome profit. If you guys want to have these all information, the bot, the domain, each and everything you guys can get from us, check the description please. Check the description for contact details. The bot made almost half our target is completed. We're gonna set today $50. As you guys can see here, $33.53 is made by bot automatically in back. Okay guys, so our target is today $50. It made $38.73, waiting for more profit. Once it hit to $50, you stop the bot and make a withdrawal. Now as you guys can see, it's on $43.53. Now we are going to hit the $50 target. As you guys can see, the bot is making consistent profit, $47.83. We need to hit the target today. As you guys can see here, just one more trade and we are close to the target. Look here, $52.39 is made by bot today. Okay guys, as you guys can see how the bot made trades, how the bot earn profit from different type of strategies, including this bot rise, fall, hour, under digit match strategies, call put strategy, even odd strategy. Now let's click on cashier, refresh the page, click on cashier, and let's move on withdrawal section and go and process the withdrawal. Let's move on cashier, withdrawal, on withdrawal, send email. As you guys know, they send email always. They sent me an email. Let's click on email to find the direct official email and make sure the bot is stopped. Look here, trading is stopped. Now let's move on and check the email. We are on our official email. Look, here is the direct official email. Let's click on this link and go for withdrawal. Here you guys can see 52.39. We are going to withdraw into my Skrill. The cashier is open, $52.39. We are going to withdraw this amount with Skrill. Here we go. Let's click the comment section, request for fast process. Now let's click on payout request, and here we go guys. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button.